Okay, today update video on the Willy's restoration project. 1953 Willy's Jeep truck, flatbed, and it has now been painted. So tell us about the process of getting to it, getting painted.
Getting what?
Tell us about it getting painted.
Oh, a friend of mine took it over to his shop, and when it got a good day to paint, we painted the roof the first day, and he had this sealant he sprays on there before he even paints the paint on. Then we put 2 coats of paint on the roof, and then 3 days later we had the hood up and we painted it. And then we had to wait about 5 or 6 days for warm weather, and then we painted the body.
So it was painted in December and January, or?
It was January.
January.
Yeah, I was hoping to get it done in December while Joe was still here, but it didn't work out that way. Around the middle of January.
So all last year was spent sanding, doing body work.
Bondle work, and
Got a lot of holes filled, and then also a big improvement is the new glass that's been put in with new seals, which really looks good. Front glass has been put in, and the rear glass has been put in. Got to do some work on the mechanisms in the doors to put the side windows in. So you got the wheels painted same color. Frames all painted up black. And you're going to put down the 2x10 decking.
I'm going to use 2x8s.
2x8 decking.
9 of them work perfect to go across there. Comes out to 67 inches, and that's what it is.
So that is that's next on the plans then.
Yeah.
And then the inside is a work in progress. He's got the original bench seat, which will someday get recovered. And we've got a new dash gauge configuration set up, and he's in the process of putting all the electrical components back in, which you're working on the
Windshield wipers right now.
Windshield wipers right now. And he just got the tail lights hooked up. So he's working on getting all the lights going. The front lights are working, tail lights are working, right?
Yeah.
Tail lights and brake lights. So that's good. All right. Okay.
And he's going to come over and hook up the heater switches and hook up the windshield wiper, on that side.
Yep.
The other side's a dummy right now.
On. Yeah. Okay. Looking good.